Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix screen not responding to touches on H70 Fusion. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, restart device, just click and hold side power button and volume up button and you will see restart device from here. After restart device, click on OK. You will see after restarting, enter phone pin. After enter your phone pin, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library, scroll down, and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on system. After click on system, click on reset options. After click on reset option, click on reset device. After click on reset all setting, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, again click on settings app. Now in setting, click on search and search software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix screen not responding to touches on H70 Fusion. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.